Hi, Trish, leadyourlifestyle.com. Today I wanted to share with you the possibilities and the potentiality when it comes to building an online business. And a lot of you already know my story well, let's go back a little bit further. I built and ran a real estate investment consulting business, which was very much one-on-one. And, in other words, I was dealing with one person at a time, one client at a time. And it wasn't a great use of my time. In other words, I wasn't leveraging my time properly. It was what they call trading time for money. So for every 1 hour I spent with one client, that was 1 hour of my time. And there's only so much that you can actually earn as a result of that 1 hour of time. And so I decided to leverage myself, and a friend introduced me to the possibility of turning my real estate investment consulting business into an online business. So for the first 12 months, I actually spent my time building an online business for my real estate and turning that into a training package, something that can be accessed online. So all of my knowledge, my skills, my intellectual property, my stories, my experiences were all sort of parceled up into a training package with a workbook and put online. And I could charge $495 for that process. And I could advertise that globally. I wasn't geographically bound by that education. So it was really powerful. As a result of seeing what I could do there, I then wanted to actually promote and market the tools and the training that got me there. And that's when I started an affiliate marketing business. It's what we call affiliate marketing, when you actually have tried a product, you love a product, and then you want to promote it and market yourself. And you can do that online. You can create an online business around that. So for my second online business, it really took a good 12 months, and I'm still building it, and I'm still learning, and I'm still, learning new ways of being able to generate income. What I wanted to do is really just share with you the first 12 months, because I think that there needs to be some reality around what it takes to build something like this, and some reality around the earnings as well. And there's a bit of a disclaimer to this. Everyone is different. You may not earn as quickly as me, or you might even earn quicker than me. But there is no guarantees whatsoever when it comes to building an online business. And there are no guarantees because you've invested in the education and the training. It still doesn't mean that you can potentially have a guarantee of earning income as a result of you investing in the training and education. At the end of the day, it depends on what you actually put in with respect to your time and resources as to what returns you end up getting. And we are all at different skill levels. So again, it can differ from one person to the next as to how quickly they advance through the program. So let me just share screen with you. So you should be seeing right now, and we call this I call it a back office area. I know Stuart's talked about it as an affiliate ledger, and this is really the area that shows you your business, and you can actually run your business from this area as well. It's pretty cool. So here we are into my earnings, and I want to really show to you the reality of the first 12 months. And like I said, this won't happen for everyone, and it will never be replicated like this. And you just have to be aware of that. It takes different people, different lengths of time to be able to get up and running with their business. So this is my second online business here, first 12 months. You can see January there. So let me just see. I'm just scooting around here. So January. There it is there. There we go. So total earnings for January 2017, zero. Okay, so that's when literally started the affiliate program and started to then put advertising together and started to put it up online. And then in February of that year, the first sale came through. And actually, I always thought it was March 2017, but it's February 2017 where the first sale of $20 came through. And that's pretty exciting when you see that happen, because it's just validation that it all works and the systems work. So it's very exciting. We go to March. And then all of a sudden another sale and that's the sale that I thought that I first started off with, but it must have been February. And then we go April. Now I think it doubled in April. Oh, there we go. No, $60 for the month of April. So that's happy. That's great. And then May, I think it might have even doubled again. I'm not sure here. May, there we go. Doubled again, 120. And then for June, there we go, big jump, $5,845. So you can see the work that I'd put in January, February, March, April, May, June. We're looking 6 months down the track. And to achieve these sort of numbers is to be promoting and marketing what we call high ticket sales or high ticket items. And through the SFM and through Digital Experts Academy, especially Digital Experts Academy, they provide and offer different levels of training and education for people to actually move through. And that's what's so brilliant about that, as being a referrer to that program, to Digital Experts Academy. The fact that they are high ticket sales, as they move through and as they progress, you receive a commission based on what they buy. So that was June. What I'm going to do is I won't take you through the whole lot. And then between sort of June, July, August, September, and I think it was November, because it fluctuated between about $5,800 and about $3,000. So that was one of the biggest months there. So you can see 3,160. Let's have a look in December. 4,905. So, you can sort of see a little bit of consistency there. And now these numbers, they're not earth-shattering, but we're talking the first 12 months of starting a business. I have in the past, a long time ago, started a network marketing business. And I never reached those numbers. I didn't even reach those numbers in the whole time that I was running that business. So to have that sort of revenue come through in the first 12 months is incredible. It really is incredible. And you can just see now, you can sort of visualize and see the potentiality of what it can do for you. So I'm going to go January then, 2018. That was a lower month there, so you can see, and that was actually not, because it was around Christmas time, and I remember that clearly. So that was quite a low month in January. And 12 months later, February, we'll see what, there we go. So you can, $8,491. Very clearly, you can sort of see the potentiality of this program as a result of doing affiliate marketing. And really, that's what I wanted to show you. And I wanted to show you very realistic numbers. And so you get a real truth, a real reality about the potentiality. You can see it's there, and you can see what potential that you can have to get that business to grow to a point where you're not dependent on an employer, or you can run this beside your existing business. And, that the scope is incredible. So that's my share, Trish, leadyourlifestyle.com. And if this is on YouTube, just press that red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's me. I'll stop sharing now. And hope you got something out of that. And I'm sure you would. And I'm sure that you can see that by doing this, the reality of what you can achieve as a result of doing the work. That's me. Bye for now.